म्हापसा हांगा जाल्ल्या नसनोडकर ज्वेलरी केसीन गोवा पुलिसांनी सुमारे 12 केजी सिल्वर आनी 1 केजीचे गोल्ड हे रिकवर केल्लें आसा. आतां पळोवया म्हापसा पुलिसांनी ही केस कशी सॉल्व केली ती.
Today I am joined by SDPO Mapsa and PI Mapsa in this press briefing and other my colleagues from Mapsa police station. Today we are very pleased to announce that the team of Mapsa police station has successfully apprehended an interstate burglary gang that was responsible for committing a major theft in a jewelry shop in Mapsa market. As you are already aware that on Sunday and Monday night, a theft was committed in a jewelry shop in Mapsa, wherein a gang of thieves had entered the premises of the shop by breaking the iron grill. Subsequently, they had escaped after stealing large amount of jewelry worth crores. In Mapsa police station, we had subsequently registered an FIR number 141 by 2024 under sections 331 subclause 4, 305 subclause A read with 3 subclause 5 of BNS 2023 upon the complaint of Mr. Chandramohan Nasnodkar, who is the owner of the said shop. Looking at the gravity of the incident, all senior officers had visited the scene of crime. I had also personally gone and inspected and given briefing to the staff. We initially began this investigation by looking at the CCTV cameras, and when we started scanning through the CCTV cameras, we discovered that on Saturday night this gang had made an attempt at the same shop. We also discovered that these cameras were intelligent cameras in which an alert had been sent to the owners of the shop, but that information had not been shared with the local police. However, we took out all the CCTV footage which was available. This footage ran into hours. All that footage was then divided among the very able staff of Mapsa police station, and a search began for these suspects. We were able to see in the CCTV footage that there were 3 boys or men who had committed this act, and they had completely covered their faces to so as to ensure that their identity was not revealed. However, because of our emphasis which has been placed on night patrolling, I have previously also in subsequent briefings told you that a lot of emphasis is being put on night patrolling, because of which the Mapsa police station staff came to us and said that the descriptions which we are seeing in these CCTV footage match with 2 persons they had stopped at around 3 AM near Mapsa police station, because they had found them in a slightly suspicious position. They had clicked their photographs, and those photographs were available with our police staff. This was a very critical lead which we got, because the identity of the thieves, at least their physical identity, became very apparent. The clothes of these suspects matched with the photographs which our staff had clicked. Now we started plotting all the possible routes which these thieves could have taken, both on Saturday and on Sunday. We started looking at all the roads which led to the shop and all the exit points which came out from the Mapsa market. While making these searches, we also sent teams to airports and to all major railway stations in Goa, and we were able to find a CCTV footage at Thivim railway station where we could see these suspects boarding a train. As soon as this information was available, we alerted the Konkan Railways. We were in touch with senior officers of Konkan Railway and of the Railway Protection Police Force. These suspects' photographs were shared with these officers. They then flashed these photographs on all the trains which were moving out of Goa, and because we had certain local information that these persons could have been from areas around Maharashtra, Gujarat or Rajasthan, therefore the 3 teams were also dispatched to Mumbai, to Gujarat and to Rajasthan so that if any credible lead comes, they can go and develop it further. Because of all these efforts, we were able to subsequently nab these people near Ajmer while they were headed towards their home. In this case, we have arrested 4 persons till now. Their details are: 1, Mr. Harji Chauhan. He is a resident of Bewar, which is a district adjacent to Ajmer. He is 26 years old. Another person who has been arrested is one Mr. Bhavani Singh, who is 18 years old. He is also a resident of that same district. And we have also arrested or apprehended 2 CCLs. Their age is less than 18 years. Therefore, we are not in a position to reveal their identities. So, a lot of emphasis from the beginning in this investigation was on successful recovery. And the result is in front of you, as you are able to see that we have been able to recover almost all the stolen property. It is one of the rarest of the rare cases where within a matter of couple of days almost, the police has been able to break the back of an interstate gang, arrest them from Rajasthan, and also recover almost all the stolen property. Therefore, I must use this opportunity to congratulate SDPO Mapsa, Shri Sandesh Chodankar, PI Mapsa, Shri Nikhil Palekar, and his entire team. And we must take their names because they all have put in a lot of work. PSI Yashwant Madrekar, PSI Ajay Duri, PSI Bablo Parab, PSI Subhash Gaunkar, PSI Vishal Kutikar, Head Constable Sushant Chobdekar, Head Constable Alvito Dimelo, Head Constable Shivaji Shetkar, PC Prakash Polekar, Tukaram Kambli, Akshay Patil, Anand Rathod, Vinay Hiroji, Rajesh Kankolkar, Lakshmi Kant Nayak, Raj Parab and Pankaj Parab. In total, almost 20 persons in teams of 3 were working on this case round the clock 24/7, and we are very glad and satisfied by the efforts which our men have and women have made in this case.